What agenda, Mama? This one would always say, I install as the NEC. When they are ready. Thank you. Distinguished members of the press, communique issued at the end of the PDP Governors Forum held today at Government House, Asaba, Delta State on Friday, January 31st, 2025. The PDP Governors Forum held its 2025 first monthly meeting today, Friday, January 31st, 2025 in Asaba, the capital of Delta State, and arising therefrom resolved to issue the following communique. 1. The forum employed the occasion to review the performance of member states in particular and the state of the nation in general, as well as developments in the party at the end of 2024, and noting the monumental socio-economic, security, infrastructure, and other challenges that confronted the nation during the period. The meeting commended governors of member states for pursuing policies and programs that not only ameliorated the plight of the people, but were aimed at creating the foundation for sustainable development in their various states. 2. The meeting noted the macroeconomic policies of the federal government that have inflicted hardship and pain on the polity. Therefore, the forum called the federal government to either revisit or reject its macroeconomic policies to ameliorate or stop the hardship and pain that they have inflicted on Nigerians, as no meaningful or impactful achievements in the states will be achieved until the harsh policies are addressed. 3. The forum noted with delight the ongoing efforts at resolving the crisis in the National Working Committee, NWC, on the position of the National Secretary, and has reaffirmed its support for the subsisting court judgment on the matter. Consequently, the forum advised the NWC to set up the machinery for the effective implementation of the Federal High Court judgment, or Court of Appeals. Number 4, the forum, having examined all the notices required by law to be given to validly convoke NEC, advised NWC to reschedule NEC to the 13th of March 2025. Number 5, while commending the country's valiant and patriotic armed forces and security agencies for maintaining the front line and securing the country and the gains of our gallant personnel against bandits in some parts of the country, the forum viewed with deep concern the resurgence of brazen non-state actors. It therefore calls for the strengthening of the nation's security architecture. Number 6, the forum expressed its gratitude to the host governor, Right Honorable Sharif Abowore, the government and the people of Delta State for their hospitality and friendly disposition that have yielded the successful, well-structured and impactful meeting that we just had. Even as it is equally commend the governor for the giant strides recorded by his administration in the areas of infrastructure, environment remediation, people empowerment, and combating insecurity. Finally, the forum enjoined Nigerians not to despair in the face of prevailing hardships, with the firm assurance that the PDP will remain committed to returning our great nation to the glorious days of the pre-2015 era of manageable cost of living, security of lives and property, and greater unity and prosperity for all citizens. Thank you very much.